How do you find the volume of a cone? You find the volume of a cone by multiplying the area of the base by the height of the cone, then dividing it by 3. First, let's take a look at the formula. You may recognize base times height as the volume of a cylinder. But for finding the volume of a cone, you also need to divide this by 3. You can visualize the reason for this by taking a cylindrical container and a cone-shaped container that both have the same height and radius. Fill the cone with water up to the brim, then pour it into the cylinder. Do this 3 times, and you'll find that the volume of water from exactly 3 cones fits perfectly into the cylinder. This formula, base times height divided by 3, is actually a formula you can use to find the volume of any cone, no matter if it is right or oblique, or if it has a circular base or an elliptical one. Amazing! Now, let's look at an example of how to calculate the volume of a circular cone. The radius of the base is 2. The height of the cone is 4. To find the volume of a cone, you use the formula area of the base times the height divided by 3. The base is the surface area of this circle, so you can replace b in the formula with the expression for the area of a circle. The area of a circle equals pi times the radius squared. The formula for the volume of the cone becomes pi times the radius squared times the height over 3. Now you can insert the values for the radius and height into the formula. Insert 2 for the radius and 4 for the height. 2 squared equals 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. 16 times pi divided by 3 is about 16.76. So, the volume of this circular cone is approximately 16.76. Let's look at another example. You want to find the volume of a circular cone where the diameter of the base is 12 and the height equals 8. First, you find the radius, which is half the diameter. Dividing the diameter 12 by 2, you get 6. This is the radius of the base. Now you can insert the values for the radius and the height into the formula from the previous example. Insert 6 for the radius and 8 for the height. 6 squared equals 36. 36 times 8 equals 288. 288 divided by 3 equals 96. 96 times pi equals approximately 301.59. So the volume of this circular cone is about 301.59. You find the volume of a cone by multiplying the area of the base by the height of the cone, then dividing it by 3.